what's up, guys? So got a little bit of an update on the VQ240. I brought it here the other day to get the exhaust done, and the fabricator never showed up. So I took matters into my own hands, and I became the fabricator. So I started to record a little bit, so I'll put the clips after this, but then my camera died and I didn't have a charger, so I ended up just like taking care of the whole thing without recording it at all. There's a little bit of a YouTube short, but I'll record more of it and show you guys, you know, what all I did after I show you the clips that I recorded of what I started to do. So yeah. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I started working and at a shop, and I've just been really busy, and I got kind of sick for a few days, so I've been slacking a little bit. So nonetheless, I have more content coming your way, and I appreciate you guys waiting for new stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it, and we'll show you what all got done to the 240. Alright, so one of the biggest things here was the test pipes would come down out of the frame rails and they would rub up against it, and then there was the giant flange here, and it was making things look like it was going to be really difficult here. Pardon my welds, this is only my like 4th or 5th time welding, so like I'm not good at it by any means, but what I did make sure is that it doesn't leak anywhere, and that's what's important. So what I ended up doing was cutting 2 inches out of this test pipe, raising it up, and then removing the flange, and then I removed 4 inches out of this test pipe, moved it forward, and then cut off the flange. And then I took a stock VQ pipe and I cut off the flanges, and the end of the pipe actually fit right into the test pipe, and then I welded it together. Same thing on this side, and then I lined it all up with an ISR long pipe that comes with a 240 blast pipe set, and I ended up taking out the little tiny angle that's in it and angling it straight so it would come back and line up the blast pipes. So it all works, none of it leaks, and it's all hooked up properly, and most importantly, it no longer drags on the ground. That's not going to be an issue. So this car will be drivable now. I do have to get it insured and registered in the state of Florida, and I also have to wrap up some little things like putting in a thermostatic switch or just a relay for the E-fans so I can stop melting my switches, and I think I have to get a gasket for the gas tank seal and a few other things. So I'm gonna bring the car down off the lift and I'm gonna start it up so you guys can hear it, and then I'm gonna drive around the parking lot a little bit so you guys can hear it. But there's some like artisan workers over there using like wet saws, so I might have to get those clips later, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so the VQ240 is home. I need to get a couple driving clips of it for you guys because my camera died yesterday and I wasn't able to drive it. I really need to get some more batteries for my GoPro and that like triple deck charge or whatever that they sell on Amazon. It would make my life a lot easier, and it would make making content a lot easier too, because the main reason I don't make content all the time is because I'm constantly fighting with my GoPro battery. So yeah, I'm gonna get you guys some driving clips and then I'll catch up with you in a little bit.